Good morning, children. In last class, we learned the states and capitals, right? So, in this session, I will explain you the main topic of this lesson. So, before that, let me show one picture. See, children, just observe this pep activity. Here, in page number 22, we have one pep activity, children, 7.4. Just we have to complete here. Give a caption for each of these images. Okay, here two images have given to us, right? First one, this picture represents village, right? And this picture represents a city. Can you observe any differences between these two pictures, children? Yes. In the picture of village is a fully green area, greenish. But in city there is no greenery and fully busy place. Most of the people live here. Okay, very few people live here. Okay, children. So right here village and here city. Okay, children, village, city. Okay, children. Now write village and city. Okay. So I will tell you the differences between village and city. See, children, in villages very few people live here, but cities the more people. Okay, more people live here, and village, most of the village covered with greenery. Okay, farmlands, fields. But cities, this is fully, there is no fields, and offices, buildings, factories and industries will be there in cities. Okay, so and people in villages there is a few people living here. In cities more number of people. Okay, large number of people will live here in cities. Okay, children. And another difference is also there, children, area wise. Village, okay, area is very small, but city is bigger than a village. Okay, village, town, city. As we already know, we have our surrounding villages, right? For example, cities, Rajahmundry, Kakinada, Vizag, Vijayawada, like Hyderabad. So, like all these places we known as the cities. And villages we have already know, right? So, like Erda and Dulla, Vadlamuru, Gummaleru, like all the villages we have. And towns also there, right? Do you know the town mean? It's smaller than a city and bigger than a village. Okay? It takes middle place, right? Town. Mandapet is example for town. And Ramchandra also example for town. Okay? Bigger than a village and smaller than a city is known as a town. Okay, children? So this is village and here city. You can observe this picture. You can observe many differences, children. Okay? Many differences. See, children, here in village houses are independent houses will be there. But in the cities there is a flats. Do you know flat means nearly 40 families will live in one place. But in villages, independent houses. Okay, independent houses will be there. So, and space also very large. But here there is no sufficient space. But here very high space will be there. Okay. So these are the differences, children. See, open page number 23. Here so many differences between rural areas and urban areas. Rural area means village area we known as the rural area. Okay. Village areas we known as the rural areas. City area. Okay. City area we known as the urban area. Can you notice it? Rajahmundry urban, Kakinada urban city, Rajahmundry urban city. Did you notice that? So if you not notice that, so let's notice that. Rural area, urban area. Okay? Rural means village areas. Urban means city areas. Okay? So here so many differences between a rural and urban. Okay? Let me explain. So children, open page number 23. Here, so in this picture Rural areas are places where the population is low. Okay. Okay children, second point, much of the land in these areas is covered with forests or farms. See children, this is a picture of village. This picture represents village. So here maximum covered with farms and trees like a forest. But here there is no trees. Okay, there is no much trees children. Only very few trees there in cities. Okay, and third point, villages are usually considered rural areas. Yes, already we discussed children. Village areas we known as a rural areas. City areas we known as a urban areas. And there are many independent houses here. See children, this is an independent house and this is an independent house. See, just if you observe this picture, so all these are independent houses, right? But in cities, this is not independent houses children. No. So nearly 2 and more families will living in a one place. Okay, like a plots and 3-stair 4-stair buildings. Okay, taller buildings and stories, right? Okay, this is the difference between rural and urban. And fourth point, next fifth point, there are very few vehicles on the road. See children, on the road there is very few vehicles. But here the busiest road and there is no space children. So just observe, in the villages large space will be available. But here there is no large space and these roads are very busy and vehicles on the road. So many vehicles will be there on the roads. Okay children. Next one. Rural areas have a few basic facilities such as schools and hospitals. Okay. See, there is very few facilities. అంటే చాలా తక్కువ facilities ఉంటాయి villagesలో compared to cities. In cities so many hospitals will be there, so many schools will be there and so many facilities will be there. And here coming to villages, very few facilities, even transport also, even schools, even hospitals, they have to move to the another urban or another area. Okay, because of in villages there is no high basic facilities. Okay children. And farming is the major occupation in rural areas. See children, in rural areas most of the place will be farms, right? Fields. So main occupation also farming only. Okay children, with farming is a backbone of our country. So without farming there is no food. Without food there is no human being. Okay. So maximum villages people are depending on farming occupation. But coming to city, they will do the jobs. Okay, they will do the another occupations like doctors, teachers, engineers. Okay, so all the occupations people will be there in cities. But in villages most of the people will depend on farming occupation. Okay children. Now urban areas. Urban area has a higher population than a rural area. Yes, I already told you here. So many people living here. Just if you see the picture, you can understand. So many houses there. Houses means so many families will be living here. So many members will be living here. Okay. In villages, very less houses will be there. Very less people living there. Cities and towns are considered urban areas. As cities and towns, even Mandapeta also urban area. Okay, Rajahmundry cities, Kakinada city, Vizag, Vijayawada, all those are cities. Towns also we have. These cities and towns we consider as urban areas. Houses and buildings are built across together and are often bigger or taller than those in rural areas. So these houses are bigger than rural areas houses. ఓకే, సో రూరల్ ఏరియాలో ఉండే హౌసెస్ కన్నా ఈ సిటీస్లో అనేవి చాలా ఎక్కువగా చాలా పెద్దగా ఉంటాయి అన్నమాట హౌసెస్. సో మోర్ పీపుల్ విల్ బి లివ్ హియర్. Okay children, now turn the page. People in urban areas practice a variety of occupations. Yes, I have told you children. So different kind of occupations people will live here. And there are many schools and hospitals in urban areas. As children, for example, Mandapeta. Mandapeta also belongs to urban area. In Mandapeta we have so many schools, right? And so many facilities we have and so many hospitals we have compared to the villages. And there are also many places of entertainment such as the cinema theaters and the amusement parks, right? We have so many cinema theaters children, and parks also we have here, but compared to the villages there is, you know, in some villages there is no cinema theaters and there is no parks also. Okay, so they have to, if they want to watch the movie, they have to come to the urban area. Okay, so facilities, basic facilities will be more available in urban areas than a rural area. Okay, villages lo kante cities lone ekku facilities అనేవి ఉంటాయి, but greenery is more available in rural area, not in cities, because of cities are fully populated and there is more vehicles on the road, busiest roads, and more people live here. In villages only less people will live here and more oxygen will be available in rural area. Okay children, so remaining part I will explain you in the next session. So until then you have to underline new words in this session and you have to read and learn the differences between the rural areas and the urban areas. Okay children, thank you, have a nice day.